Hi everybody, this is Jill, and this is Jill for today. I am making a yummy hummus, and you know how much we love hummus. This is a red pepper hummus, and it's got some great recipe ingredients, and I think you're going to like it, so let's get cooking. So in the base of my food processor here, I have a can of drained and rinsed garbanzo beans, and I have kept the draining, the liquid that was in the can. I may use that to help thin out this hummus as we go, and of course I won't know that until we're at that point. So I have a can of can of garbanzo beans, and I have some roasted red peppers in here. What I like to do is when I open a jar of red peppers, there are always more than I can use, and I break it up and put it into ice cube trays, freeze it, and when I need it, I bring it out. I also have some crushed garlic here, and that's going to go in. I have some lemon juice, the juice of 1 lemon. I have some tahini here, small amount of tahini. There is no oil in this recipe. Now, if you really love a hummus that has oil in it, you're welcome to add it. But this is a great recipe, and you don't need to have the oil in this one. And then I have a mixture of spices. I have here some cumin, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. And I'm going to sprinkle that on. And that is all there is to it. It is such an easy recipe. I'm going to put the lid on my food processor here, and I'm going to, get it going, and then I'll stop it from time to time and let you see how it's progressing, and if I need to have any more liquid added to it. So, here we go. And I see it's looking very moist. I don't need to add any more liquid to this, but it really does need, some more pureeing. So I'm going to keep pureeing this until I've got it a nice, smooth, creamy consistency. And then I'll bring it back and we'll go to the next step. It smells fantastic. And I'm going to take a little sample here. It's nicely pureed. There's still little flecks of red pepper in there, roasted red pepper, so that's nice. I'm going to take just a it's so delicious. Oh my gosh, the lemony flavor in there, and the garlic is there, and the cumin. It's a wonderful, wonderful blend of flavors, and boy, it's delicious. And I don't need to add any more liquid. I'm gonna show you this up close here. I don't need to add any more liquid. I don't need to add any more garlic or salt. Lemon juice, certainly not. And I really don't think you need oil in this. It is such a delicious recipe, and it comes out almost foolproof absolutely every single time. So I'm going to put this in a container, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, let it get good and cold. It'll firm up a little bit, and then we're going to take a taste of it, and it's so good. So we'll be back later. So are you ready to taste this wonderful dip? I make this dip often, but I haven't made it on camera for a long time.
Okay.
Now, one of the things I want to make sure, my microphone was on. I'm in a different shirt because we let this sit overnight. This is a new day. It didn't work out for us to taste it yesterday. Okay.
Yesterday didn't work out, period.
We all have those in our world, don't we?
Okay, it's got a nice hummus
Oh, yeah.
smell. What is that? Not the tahini, but
there's cumin in there.
Cumin.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm going to throw this up here so you can see. It is so good. Here we go. Oh, yeah. It is such a good dip.
Wow.
It is so good.
I love hummus.
Yeah.
That's right.
Excellent dip.
You could just give me a spoon.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you're going to give me another one of those?
Yeah.
That's very good.
It's awfully good. Here you go, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's an awfully good dip. And it's hummus, but yet there's really quite difference, don't you think, in it? And you know what I'm saying? It's like
Oh.
peppers stand out. Lemon,
Ramen gives it a.
nice zing.
Yep.
Garlicky. Oh no, it's a good one.
I like that.
All right, that's that. So it's a good one. The ingredients, instructions, all down below. What, love?
Nothing.
Okay,
Just very good.
2 thumbs up.
Excellent.
Okay, that one's always a winner.
Yep.
All right, check out the rest of my videos, especially all the ones on hummus. And we will see you soon. Take care. And thanks again.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.